In the 1970s, a couple of Texan oil billionaire brothers, Nelson Bunker Hunt and William Herber Hunt, branched out of oil and into silver. They tried to corner the global silver market and briefly succeeded, driving the price from under $2 an ounce to a peak of nearly $50 on January the 18th, 1980.
In my business, I suspect I'm on the overly aggressive side.
The Hunt brothers owned more than 100 million ounces of silver, and for a glorious moment, they were richer than their father, Haroldson Lafayette Hunt, one of America's first oil billionaires. But there was outrage and consternation. Tiffany's the jeweller took out an ad in the New York Times denouncing the Hunt brothers' behaviour as unconscionable. The authorities clamped down on using borrowed money to trade commodities, which caused what became known as Silver Thursday, March the 27th, 1980, when the price crashed and the Hunt brothers went bankrupt. In 2011, the silver price spiked again. This time it wasn't debt-funded shenanigans, but part of a general boom in commodities after the GFC. Investors were looking for safety, but the US dollar was not seen as safe, with the memory of 2008 still fresh. So they turned to precious metals, and silver was also an industrial metal, and demand in China and India was booming. And now it's happening again, with both gold and silver booming, for exactly the same reason. Investors are looking for safety because share markets look expensive, but the US dollar is in decline because of lower interest rates and economic uncertainty as a result of the tariffs.
In other words, they charge us, we charge them.
So once again, they're turning to gold and silver. And silver is used in electronics, so the spending on artificial intelligence is causing industrial demand for it to boom again. Technical analysts, that is the druids who make a living in examining the entrails of graphs, reckon a major breakout is underway because of what they call the cup and handle formation. Well, we'll see about that, but this is already the third silver bubble in a century, and it could well be the biggest yet.